How to sign in to ByBit account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can sign in into your ByBit account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for ByBit on your web browser. Then you'll find ByBit's website. You can head over to bybit.com directly as well. After you head over there, on the left hand side, on the right hand side, you'll find the login button on the top. You'll also find it right here. So simply tap on the login option. And if you tap on it there, you'll find this login option where you can type in credentials here. You can tap on login here and it will directly take you to another website as well. So all you have to do to log in into your ByBit is, if you want to log in through email, type in your email and then your password. You can also do it from your mobile or using a QR code. There's also an option to log in with Google, Apple, or Telegram. So yeah, all you have to do is enter your email and then your password or choose a login method and you're good to go. And that's how you can log in into ByBit. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.